What up, squad? It's me, Chim Chim, and I'm here to show you how to make an egg sandwich. It's 11 p.m., so I gotta stay silent. But I want to show my talent of making egg sandwiches. So, first step, you gotta get an egg. Yeah, do I need to be louder? I don't think so. So eggs are pretty easy to get. You just kind of open up a fridge. You just kind of, get the egg like that. Make sure not to drop it, because I mean it's not very cool to drop eggs. Everybody has eggs. Just get an egg. It's pretty easy. I'm not a single person who doesn't have an egg. Well, first off, I like untoasted bread. How about you? Put in the comments below. Perfect. This is egg cam number 1. Egg cam number 2. So first thing you want to do, get that sweet egg pan. Put it on that sweet egg pan container. I usually put mine on a 6 because it's my favorite number. You gotta turn on the lights. You also gotta wash your hands to be safe. But I already did that because I'm safe. Get some of that cooking oil. Oh no, I think I'm out of cooking oil. Spread it around evenly. Make sure it's really good. Now crack that egg. And what I usually do is hope that my egg cracks correctly. Nothing happened. What? If you're a loser, you can crack your egg in a bowl. But I don't need that, but I'm just going to do that to show you guys. But I'm not a loser. Now from now, you could just pour the eggs into your pan. What I like to do now is go get some wooden chopsticks. These are very uneven size. Well, I can't find 2 chopsticks that are the same size apparently. This will have to do. And I just kind of shake it about. Let's get a close-up look. Is this safe? I don't think so. Yeah, I just like getting the yolk distributed evenly. And I think now it's just time to wait. It's getting pretty steamy. Now is about the time I flip the egg. I think I'm done. Get some bread. Huh? Nothing. Ngon. Đẹp không?
Đẹp là đẹp, chồng đầu tắt đi ghê. Ôi trời đất ơi.
Yeah. Hả?
Làm gì vậy?
Oh yeah, con record the cooking video.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm just where's my
okay.
Now I'm going to add a dab of ranch. Just do little drizzles. I may have added too much ranch, but you know, more is better. Oh man. Maybe add some salt. Well, thank you guys for watching so much. Okay, bye, man.